Governor Ron DeSantis spoke about a drop in coronavirus cases, a decrease in positivity, and he also spoke about some changes that he would like to see when it comes to testing in the workforce.
You also don't want a situation in which healthy people are being told they can't come back to work or told that they have to isolate for 14 days.
Governor DeSantis in Orlando saying when it comes to testing, the symptoms should be a focus.
And so I think the symptoms-based approach makes much more sense. So if you have a nurse, somebody tests positive, if they're symptom-free for 10 days, they're back in the hospital without needing to get a negative PCR test.
The governor also citing delays in coronavirus testing as a reason for his recommendations.
If the tests aren't being turned around in time, then you're not even going to be infectious by the time it's over. So isolating people who aren't sick or who aren't infectious, that's a harm we want to avoid just as much as saying that somebody who could be infectious will be put back into the workforce. We've had people that have tested positive 6 or 7 times after the 14-day window. And it's like, okay, this is dead virus that they're picking up. It's not infectious anymore. But when that's the rule, obviously businesses aren't going to want, that used to be the rule for the hospitals, they would obviously insist on it as well. So that, I think, makes more sense.
When looking at recent trends, DeSantis adds that he believes COVID will continue to be on the decline in Florida. Reporting in Orlando, Paul Rivera, WESH 2 News.